In the vast, untamed wilderness of North America, where the mighty St. Lawrence River flowed, a unique civilization began to take shape. This was the era of the Iroquoian tribes, a union of native nations that would forever change the course of North American history. The Iroquoian tribes, consisting of the Mohawk, Oneida, Onondaga, Cayuga, Seneca, and Tuscarora, were a confederacy bound by common language, culture, and mutual respect. Their history dates back to the 1400s, a time marked by frequent conflicts and the need for unity. The Haudenosaunee, as they came to be known, faced numerous challenges. The harsh winters, fierce rivalries with neighboring tribes, and the ever-encroaching European settlers threatened their way of life. But in the face of adversity, they found strength in unity. The Iroquois League, later known as the Great Law of Peace, was the cornerstone of their civilization. A democratic system that balanced the power among the tribes, it ensured harmony within the Confederacy and provided a unified front against external threats. The League's foundation was laid by the Great Peacemaker, a mysterious figure who preached a message of peace and unity. He gathered the Iroquois leaders, including the legendary Hiawatha, and convinced them of the necessity of union. The Great Council Fire, a symbol of unity, was lit, and the Great Law of Peace was born. The League, with its principles of democracy, cooperation, and peace, was a remarkable achievement for a pre-Columbian society. However, the Iroquois Confederacy's influence extended far beyond their territory. European colonists began to arrive in the 16th century, bringing with them disease, war, and a new world order. The Iroquois, with their strong leadership and strategic alliances, became key players in the complex web of Native American-European relations. The Iroquois Confederacy's influence reached its zenith during the Beaver Wars, a series of conflicts over the lucrative beaver fur trade. The Iroquois, through their strategic alliances and military prowess, managed to control much of the fur trade, earning them respect and fear from their European counterparts. The Iroquois Confederacy's impact on North American history is undeniable. Their democratic system, the Great Law of Peace, was a remarkable achievement that influenced the Constitution of the United States. Their alliances and conflicts shaped the course of Native American-European relations. Yet, despite their strength and influence, the Iroquois Confederacy was not immune to the devastating effects of European colonization. Disease, war, and cultural disruption took a heavy toll on the Iroquois populations. The once powerful Confederacy was left to struggle for survival in the face of a changing world. The Iroquois Confederacy, a beacon of unity and democracy in the wilderness, stands as a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of the Native American peoples. Their story is a reminder of the rich history that preceded the arrival of Europeans, a history that continues to shape the world we know today.